Look at this. What's up, everyone? Josh Quinones here. So the Note 20 Ultra has been leaked on Samsung's Russian page. Max Weinbach tweeted this earlier today. Samsung accidentally posted the Note 20 Ultra in Mystic Bronze on their Russian website. It looks great, and I totally agree. This thing looks beautiful as heck and gets me super hype for the new Note lineup, especially in this bronze color, looking like a total boss. Now, whether it was really an accident or not, I don't really know. Maybe it was on purpose to get everyone hyped up for the new Note 20 series. So looking at the pictures here, you can see that there has definitely been improvements to the camera setup here coming from the S20 Ultra. Honestly, I think it looks a whole lot better. And even the rim around the cameras blends in nicely with the color of the phone. Honestly, just based off of these pictures alone, I think it looks a lot better than the S20 Ultra. And then that S Pen, it looks so good in this color. But we don't really see any physical changes there coming from the previous Note 10 Plus, but it does look really good. So let's go ahead and go over some of what we know so far based off of the leaks and rumors. So we do know that the bezels around the display will be thinner, giving us more of an all-screen experience. Even though we already had an all-screen experience with the Note 10 Plus, this is going to be even more of an all-screen experience on a 6.9-inch display. We also know that the camera punch hole cutout will be smaller as well. And speaking of cameras, the cameras will be greatly improved coming from the S20 Ultra, which is a must in my opinion. The autofocusing issue will be no more. And this is something that Samsung really needs to make sure is on point coming from what happened on the S20 Ultra. We can't be having these autofocusing issues anymore. And instead of giving us that 100 times zoom again, they will be bringing that down to 50 times zoom and better perfected, which I think is a good idea in my opinion. It's a smart move and probably what they should have done with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Note 20 Ultra will be running the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor and come with some new S Pen features. Now, there is a rumor that 120Hz will be available with the highest resolution, but it is not yet confirmed. Still got my fingers crossed for that though, because it would be really nice. But like anything, nothing is really confirmed yet until the actual event happens and Samsung announces it. This is just based off of leaks and rumors, and I am super excited for this device after seeing these images here. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's going to be a beast. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about these leaked images? And are you as excited as I am for the new Note lineup to come? Let me know. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.